a stark reminder of the bustling life that once was. And let's not forget the impact on the local economy. Fewer people means fewer consumers, fewer taxpayers, and fewer workers. It's a domino effect that could bring even the most robust local economies to their knees. As we ponder this rather somber reality, one can't help but wonder, what does this all mean for the future of these cities and their inhabitants? What are the consequences for these cities? Let's delve deeper. And it's not just cities. Whole states could see a massive decline in their populations. Imagine Illinois, once bustling with life and vibrancy, its cities now mere echoes of their former selves. Illinois, seeing about 3/4 of its cities dwindle in population by 2100, and its windy city of Chicago may have to brace itself against more than just gusty breezes as it faces the possibility of becoming a ghost town. Now, picture Mississippi, the state known for its rich cultural history and the